Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. On behalf of the members of the Republic of Kenya and Indonesia, the government of the Republic of Kenya and the people of Kenya, let me take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt congratulations and highest commendation to the Central Board of Muhammadiyah, Secretariat and members of this esteemed organization. For more than a century, Muhammadiyah has exemplified the enduring power of compassion and collective service, founded on the noble ideals of charity, brotherhood, and commitment to the common good. The organization has consistently demonstrated an unwavering dedication to uplifting the less fortunate and strengthening the fabric of communities enshrined in religious ethos. This 113th anniversary stands as a proud testament to the perseverance, integrity, and generosity that have characterized Muhammadiyah throughout its distinguished history. The accomplishment you have achieved over the past 113 years continue to inspire not only young membership, but all who believe in the transformative power of religion, service, and humanity. As you celebrate this historic anniversary, may you be further inspired to uphold your founding principles with renewed vigor and vision. May Muhammadiyah continue to prosper, expand its reach, and remain steadfast in its mission to bring hope and compassion to those in need, including the many Kenyan students that Muhammadiyah gave scholarship opportunities to study various academic courses in Muhammadiyah universities across Indonesia. Kenya wishes to request Muhammadiyah to continue to extend scholarship opportunities to Kenyan students. Once again, congratulations on this remarkable achievement. May your legacy of service endure for generations to come. We stand, Your Excellencies and distinguished members of Muhammadiyah, we stand with you on this occasion with profound respect and warmest felicitations. Thank you very much.